touch to Papa. For the first time, lumabas si Indiano. Maganda kasi ang panahon,
But I
guys.
don't like far.
Ano siya, cloudy. So, hindi siya ganun kainit. Just come here na! Ay! Let's go na, Papa. Let's go home na.
Let's go home.
You go slide na while there's no kid.
While we
So, konti lang tao.
konti lang tao.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
Hello, guys, daw sabi ni Jazz.
Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Hello, guys.
Show, guys. What's you gonna show to? Show your ball to, guys. Go na.
Then it's wet here. Now stop the camera and see that.
Please. Ay na naman siya. Get your ball. Fast, fast. Just slide. Ayun.
There, ball. Get a ball.
Get your ball. Sige. Para ma-exercise yung katawan mo, oh. Aramse, Aramse.
Just you can't go with ball.
Can you guide him? Yes. See this?
Wait.
Tada, yes. It's okay. You scared? Don't be scared. Mama
Then
will
stop,
push you.
He don't. Then he won't again. You know, if you do like that.
See?
He's not scared. His grip is getting low.
Don't push him strongly. Ang ganda sana mag-exercise dyan, guys. Oh. Kaya lang hindi ko pwedeng iwanan si Jess eh. Ayan. Stop na. Say stop. Say stop.
No, Papa.
No, Papa daw. No. Don't push me. Say don't push me. Okay.
Acha.
So yan, guys. After park, joyride kami. Where are you going, Jano? Where are you going? Ice cream. Don't do that. Speak clearly, properly. Okay? You're not a baby to do that. Okay? What is your name? Cha. How old are you then? Turning 3. Acha. When? On July. July.
July. Do you know when is July though? Yeah.
So, in 2 months, May, it's May today, no, right, May, June. In 2 months, guys, magti-3 na si Jazz. No? Then, just gonna stop Dudu to Mama. No? Hena? That's our deal, diba? Once you turn 3, then just gonna stop Dudu to Mama. Tika? Dudu. Dudu is
Gate
like...
about to close though.
So we are inside.
You know why?
You guys. Just in university.
HAU.
Sayang guys, hindi na dati kasi dito nakatira sila mister. So first visit ko sa India, dito pa sila nakatira. So
First year, and it was winters, right? That time, and so cold.
Ang sarap dito guys pagka winter. Super lamig talaga siya kasi mapuno.
Here, it's more cold, like 2-3 degree less than whole city. So it was like near zero that time, like minus or zero, I don't know.
So, ang sarap maglakad-lakad dito pag hapon. Kung makikita nyo naman, ang daming naglalakad, diba? Dahil nga mapuno siya, presko. At ano siya, safe, very safe place. Kasi university ito guys eh. Then may mga ano dito, bahay ng mga officer, ganyan. Mga empleyado dito, may mga babahay
Even there,
dito.
you should show there's even international college here where different nationalities.
So may mga foreigner din dito guys na nag-aaral. Yung mga exchange student na sinasabi nila. So dati may dalawang Pilipino na na-meet si Mr. dito na student. 'Di ba, Gulu? You said that.
There were in near library.
O, 'di ba?
They're making kids learn the bike.
O, 'di ba? Tingnan niyo naman. Relax na relax ang
I have so many good memories here, you know.
Ayan. So dito na halos lumaki si Mr. guys kasi halos 15 years sila dito, Hena. Did you live here? Have you live here for like more than
It's like
15 years?
We came here in 2004 and left in 90. Yeah, so exact 15 years.
So yung bahay nila noon is 1, 2, parang ano siya, 3 rooms. 3 rooms, may living room, tapos
Where?
may
We?
kitchen. Wala lang rooftop.
No, we had rooftop there also, but it's just like too dirty to open. So it was 3 rooms, then plus that one living room. Was it 3? No, it was 4 room. 4 room.
It's 4 room.
4 room and 1 living room.
Kasi 3 room ay 2 room sa baba. Ay, tama ba? Oo, 2 room sa baba, tas isa sa taas. It's just 3.
4. 2 in down, 2 in upstairs, and 1 living room. So it was 4.
Is it consider rooms that mandir?
Mandir? That was that we made mandir later. Before it was room.
Acha. Used to go? Dado used to bring you where? Where? Say? Where Jessica used to play?
Sun.
Sun. Just sun. Say sun. Don't say sun. 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 S for
Sun.
sun. Diyan. So dito siya laging dinadala ng kanyang lolo bells.
Ito.
So naipakita ko na ito sa inyo dati guys eh. Ang luwag ng lugar na to. So auditorium nila yan guys, yung malaking building dyan. Auditorium nila. That's auditorium, right, Gulu?
That one, front one is auditorium. See.
Have you been inside?
Auditorium? Many times. Let him go inside before you.
Go here, just.
Papa is coming.
Papa is coming you.
Just.
Aramse, watch your step. Ano? Tingin ni Jesse. Kone? Black ha? Black. Kone din. Say Jai Hind. Jai Hind. He was like, ayan. So, ang daming nagtatambay na estudyante dito.
You know, that was my uncle also.
Where?
In relative.
This one? Who's that uncle?
I had picked with him, you know.
He's
He was vice president of country.
really?
And I picked with him. I don't know where it is now. He came in my, like, you know, that Mosi, no mom. No. His like, her marriage.
Just Aram say, shh, don't run. Don't run. Ara!
Then stop.
Balik na kami sa sasakyan, guys. Oh, you go na. You go na. Go, mama, film you. Go.
Ara.
Are you tired? Go na. Mama gonna film. Pagod na si Jess. Pagod na siya maglakad. O, diba? Maganda maglakad-lakad dito. So, library yan, guys. Malaking library. Ay, is this the library or this one? Ito pala yung library. Then, that's that one. What's that?
VP office.
Ha?
VP office.
Atcha. So, office of the ano to.
Far relative.
So, ito yung office daw ng pinakamataas na official dito, guys.
Just.
Just here na! Where you going? Here. So, ito yung library, guys. Malaking library. O, diba? Are you tired na, mahal? Aramsi! Ah! So, pagod na siya. So, balik na kami sa ano, guys. Bye, titas!
Bye, titas.
Bye, titas! Bye, guys!